Hello, I'm Dr. Shahnawaz Alam, Assistant Professor of Jyotir Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today we discuss about the theory of absolute cost advantage. The theory of absolute cost advantage given by Adam Smith. Under this theory, Adam Smith directly criticized the theory of mercantilism. Theory of mercantilism. The theory of mercantilism developed by the some group of mercantilists. Group of mercantilists have view any country should export more and more goods and import less amount of goods for the accumulation of goods. And he also argued that the development of the country depend upon only accumulation of goods, not depend upon the future availability of goods and services or welfare of the society. According to Adam Smith, development of the country not depend upon the accumulation of goods, but it is also depend upon future availability of goods and services. He criticized the mercantilist trade of restricted trades and supported the free trades. According to Adam Smith, trade between two countries will possible when one country has absolute advantage in one commodity and other country has absolute advantage in another commodity. Absolute cost advantage means that a country has abundance in production of the goods. That means a country produce more amount of goods with compared to other country and with the same amount of cost of productions, or a country produce same amount of productions with less amount of cost of production. That means country has absolute advantage in that productions. After that, those country has absolute advantage in those commodity produce and export to others. Both country will be benefited. This theory also based on some assumptions. First assumption is there are two country and two commodities. Both country produce the two commodities, but a country has absolute advantage only in one commodities. Next assumption is labor is factor of productions. Next assumptions, labor is perfect mobile within the country and immobile between the country. Factor of production are homogeneous. Next assumptions, the trade between two countries based on free trades. Next assumptions, there are no transport and selling cost. That means there is completely absence of selling and transport cost. Perfect competition prevail under the absolute cost advantage theory. All factor of production fully employed. The labor and goods market are assumed to be perfectly, and constant return to scale prevail in absolute cost advantage. Thank you.